It's gonna be very juicy. Am I the asshole for terrorizing my roommates into cleaning up their crap? If they're dirty, you're not the a-hole, but let's see. So I live with 2 roommates, 28 male and 21 female, who are less than helpful when it comes to cleaning the house. Wet clothes are left in the washer for days on end. Food is left rotting in the fridge and in the sink for several weeks if I do not clean it. They also just casually throw garbage into the yard. I've asked nicely multiple times for them to clean their mess, and even not so nicely a few times. I am far from the most hygienic person in the world myself. I'll leave dishes until the next day and just general untidiness, but they take it to a different level. All this filth, since my refusal to clean it anymore, has brought some new roommates for us, mainly giant ass rats. Ooh, chills. Whew. Which seem to have moved into our yard. The kicker is they are both absolutely terrified of rats. A plan soon hatched in my mind with a bit of creativity, some invisible thread, and an old bristle broom. I now had a faux rat. I named him Ronald. Every few days or so for the past 2 weeks-ish, I have been placing it in the corner of the kitchen, waiting for one of them to walk in. Then I yank Ronald as hard as I can at an angle so he shoots towards them. Each time they ran from the kitchen screaming in fear. I won't lie, I very much enjoyed doing it at first, but kind of felt guilty at having made a grown man bawl his eyes out and thought the lesson has probably been learned. So I decided we'd had to have a house meeting about the infestation and how they don't feel safe in the home anymore. Personally, I didn't feel safe with the pan of veggie rice rotting on the countertop for 12 days, but hey ho. I simply stated that if they just clean up their junk, the rats would most likely disappear. Lo and behold, the place was spotless within an hour, and since then there has been a lot less mess. Ronald has been put into retirement and is resting in my bedroom, ready to pounce if every... I'm cracking up. Oh my gosh, ready to pounce if ever needed again. But did I take it too far? Not the asshole. This is hysterical and effective. I love your creativity. Picture of Ronald, please. So I like your style. If you'd like to trick them again, I suggest simulating rat poops with something like rolled up bits of chocolate. If you get caught with a fake rat, the backlash will be brutal, but they're not going to go CSI on turds. I don't care about the backlash. You deserved it. Let's see. They're lucky I would have used an actual mouse. Oh my gosh. Not the asshole. You are literally genius and you're literally parenting them, if in a kind of brutal way. If they hate rats so much, they need to learn how to stop attracting rats. Period. What do y'all think?